Here's and look at what's up, guys, we're back. And I was just watching some TV, please, and yeah. So Johnny said, and for them went back and talking dog. I love Dante's. Bye bye. This is really bright. It's back when it's talking dog, talking dog. It's in the park, and it's in the park. Look at this. Tiny test. Tiny test. Okay, guys, back. That was fun. So, okay, so now we're just gonna be heading back and, hold on, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back again. As I was just kidding. Hey guys, you should get this cup. It's Pear Res. It's so sick. I got some stuff in it. And now, all we're getting now is we're gonna, you know how Fortnite got better? You know about that? That's the new season 10. You know, right? Well, there's one thing. WWE. I love WWE. You guys could still play it. WWE 2K18. Shout out to them actually too. And shout out to Fortnite. To everything they have done too. And so all we should think about is our YouTubers. You want to know YouTube that you guys should like too? Jelly. Okay, he plays GTA like I like, and he's pretty cool. He's pretty funny too. He's a twin. There is Global Cop. There's Global Cop. He's kind of nice but kind of weird. He reacts to a lot of videos. Ooh, SML. Okay, Super Mario Logan. Oh, they're the bomb, yo. They're the best. Super Mario Logan. Dude, they actually, if I met him, dude, I just want to see Jeffy so bad. Hey, Daddy. So now all we gotta do is, I couldn't go live, guys. I'm sorry. It wouldn't let me, and it was always, I don't know how to say it. I thought it said alleviated. So now, oh, the cute doggy dog. Okay. Hold on, guys. Want to see one of my favorite puppies? Hi, guys. It's not a real puppy, it's a stuffed animal, but... Hey, guys. So, I'm Dougie, I'm Max. And, my big friend, oh, he's in my trailer. His name is Big Dog. And he's a stuffed animal, but he's really big. He's like that big. So, if you guys would like me, I might be making a channel called Max's Stuffed Animal Video. And so, guys, please subscribe to this channel, because then I'll be really happy. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, that was my friend. See you guys, look. Yeah. Skating in the park. I'm back again. How you doing? Hi. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? I'm good. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy, right, guys? Yeah. And I like doggies. I kind of like humans though. But you should subscribe to the channel. But leave a likes, and I want to reach this. Hey, this is my channel. No, it's mine. No, stop. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. Hey, no, it's mine. Hey, guys, it's mine. It's mine. So guys, yeah, it's my channel, and please leave a like and subscribe. And shout out to Grant too. Bye. No, he wants to say bye. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!